Hi everyone and welcome back. Guys, in today's video I will show you how you can implement a click listener on this item. So as in our previous video we fetched this data from Firebase Realtime database, and in this video I will show you how you can implement a click listener on this RecyclerView item. And when we click on this item, so we will open the details of this employee according to this employee in our details activity. So if I show you, I have already created a new activity and this is the XML file, so don't worry about the design. I will provide the source code to you, and here we will display the employee ID, employee name, age and salary. Okay, and we have two buttons, but we will implement these operations in the next videos. So in the current video I will show you how you can implement the click listener on this item. So when you click on this item, so we will open this details activity and we will show all the details right here. Okay, so let's start our video. First of all, we need to create an interface in our adapter. So through that interface we will track our click on our item. Okay, so first of all I need to create a interface here. So I will simply type interface. Okay, interface, and I will simply name it on item click listener. Okay, and the interface will have a function which will be on item click. Okay, and this function will be an empty function, and here I will pass the position as an integer. Okay, and here I will create a private let init var, and I will name it m listener. So it means that my listener. Okay, and it will be the type of on item listener of this interface. Okay, and below here we will add we will create a function here, set on item click listener. Okay, and we will pass a click listener of type on item click listener. Okay, and inside this function we will type m listener is equal to this click listener. Okay, so in our fetching activity we will access this set on item click listener. Okay, so we will set the click listener on our items. Okay, so we will call this method. So below here we need to pass this click listener also in our view holder. So we will simply call it click listener. Okay, and below here we will call init, and inside the init we will type item view dot set on click listener. So item view means this item. Okay, this item. So whenever we click here, here or here, so it will be tracked. Okay, so now inside this we will type click listener. Okay, this click listener dot on item click listener, and we will pass the adapter position here. Okay, and here we need to pass our m listener. Okay, so the adapter work is completed. Now we will go to the fetch activity, and here we will simply type m adapter dot set on click listener. Okay, as you can see here, set on click listener, and we will type object type of on item click listener. So on item click listener, and here we will override the on item method. So implement methods are, if we click on this, so we will click on this red bulb and implement method on item click. So this is the on item click. So here we will pass the user to the next activity, to details activity, but we are not simply passing the user, but we will pass some extra data to the next activity, and we will set their data in this views. Okay, so as you know, we are getting all the data from here, from Firebase Realtime database. So we will pass their data, their details to this activity, and here we need to create an intent variable, intent intent is equal to intent, and we will pass this, okay, in this fetching activity, and we will pass the details activity. So this will be the employees detail activity class.java, and below here we will put the extra data here, put extra, okay, we will put extra data to this intent. So intent dot put extra, so here we will put the string put extra, and we will select the string value, string, where is the string? Here it is, okay, string, and we need to pass a key here, okay, we need to pass a key, so it will be employee ID, and we will be using this key in this detail activity to get this extra, okay, and here we will pass employee list and position. So the position will be, if we are clicking on this, so the position will be 0. If we click on Daniel Khan, so the position will be 1, and if we click on Kamran Ali, so the position will be 3, okay. So we are getting the position and dot employee ID, and I will simply copy it and I will paste it 3 times more, okay. So this one will be the employee name, so I will employee name, employee age, or employee salary, okay, and here I will change it to employee name, employee age, here employee salary, okay, and below here we will start the activity, and we will pass the intent here, okay. Now we handle all these extra data in this employee details, okay. So here I will simply create a function, and I will name it set values to views, okay. So inside this function we will set all these values to the corresponding views, okay. So first of all I will set the ID, TV employee ID, okay, TV employee ID dot text is equal to, so to get the intent extra, simply type intent dot get string extra, string extra, and we will pass the name, so the name is employee ID, okay. And for the rest of text views dot text is equal to intent dot get string extra and employee name, and I will copy paste it 2 times more, so to save some time, and I will change this to age, and I will also change this to salary, and here I will add the age and salary, okay. You can also store these extra in variables, but I am passing it directly here, okay. So below here I will set the values, and now we will run the application. Okay guys, so now if I click on fetch data, so it will fetch the data. Now if I click on this, so as you can see here, this is name, this is age, this is salary, okay. In the future videos we will also implement the update and delete on this data. So if I go back and if I open this one, so as you can see here, the Kamran Ali, age 26, 1 2 3, okay. And if I click on this, so Daniel Khan 12,000, okay, and this is the unique ID. So that's it for this video guys, and this is how you can implement the click listener on the RecyclerView item, and this is how you can pass data from one activity to another activity by using the intents. So if you like this video, please share this video with your friends, and also hit that like button. And if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification option so you won't miss the upcoming videos.